This is room 879 at the Swan and Dolphin Hotel. Okay, walk in the door. We have the bathroom directly on the left. One sink and some space under the sink. Makeup mirror. On this side, we have our closet. Safe in there, extra pillow, as well as a hairdryer and luggage rack. And then in here we have another sink with storage underneath. Pretty straightforward on the toilet there. And then a bathtub shower combo with the rain shower overhead and the wand. And then Swan and Dolphin shampoo and body wash and conditioner. Okay. And then as we come in and straight ahead, we have two queen beds here. TV, little tiny coffee bar next to the TV. Little baby fridge. Very little fridge. And then a couple of 4 drawers here. Here's a little table to work at, chair over here. And that is the Dolphin over there with the beach access to the pool. And the Swan Reserve you can see over there as well. Let's see under here. Okay, we've got 2 plugs there. Under here we've got ice, another shelf. Well, there's another plug and USB here. And that looks to be about it. So that is the Swan and Dolphin Resort.